Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2025 Kubota SVL97-3. Very, very nice machine here, guys. There is no corks, there's no BS. The only reason that this machine was traded, the guy went to a brand new SVL110. He does not do any type of mulching work. He wanted the biggest and the best machine out there, and that is the new Big Daddy on the market. So this machine was just sold June 19th of 25 last year, so it's just over a year old. I actually bought it the first week of June, and we've been actually using this here on a little project for a piece of ground I bought next door. We've put about 20 hours on this machine. It came in here at 179 hours on it. There is 198.5. We did a full service on it at 192, and we did use it several more hours after that, so we have been using this machine. This machine has full warranty on it until June 18th of 2027. It's going to have emissions warranty until June 18th of 2030. If a customer would want to extend that warranty, you can extend it 1 year for about $1,850. You can extend it 2 years for about $3,350, and we can get that taken care of for you. Machine is very well equipped. It is loaded. It pretty well has everything I know that you can get on these machines. So it is going to have obviously cab heat air, deluxe touchscreen dash, power quick attach 2-speed, high flow, 14-pin attachment control device. Does have the bonnet over there on the auxiliary hydraulic for the guard. LED light package, Kubota shockless ride, air ride high back seat. Does have a 18-inch wide tracks on it, guys. Rear view camera, which I may have already mentioned, but again, very well equipped machine. Very, very nice. It is coming with a OEM Kubota 84-inch smooth edge bucket with bolt-on cutting edge. The bucket, the gentleman did keep his bucket. We had that bucket off of a very low hour machine that a customer bought from us and didn't need a bucket, so we put that bucket with it. It is an OEM direct exact Kubota bucket, what it should be. Again, very nice straight machine. We're going to start you back here in the engine bay and take you completely around this machine. Here on the back door, guys, I do have two things ordered that are on back order from Kubota, and there's a reflective stripe that goes here and here. What we decided to do, there was a scuff here in the paint. We pulled the stickers off both sides. We're going to replace both of them. We're just waiting on them to come. They will either be sent to the customer or installed before the machine is delivered or picked up. Under the hood, going to be powered by a Kubota 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by. There is no BS with this machine. Is 100% legit. There'll be those questions, you know, why. The only reason the gentleman did anything was because he was able to get an SVL110, and we were very lucky to be able to buy this machine because it is a very, very nice loader. There's one scuff up here on the boom. Inside your side frames is beautiful, clean, straight. Undercarriage is going to be approximately 90 to 95%. Everything here is obviously original, guys. It's a 198-hour machine. Tracks are going to be right around 85%. Obviously, track frames are all original paint. Again, up front, 84-inch smooth edge bucket. There is one ding here in the side plate. It's the way it was whenever it came off the other machine. Up front, there are some stone chips on this machine from him handling 2B stone. Come back and it chipped up the fronts. Again, up front here, you got your auxiliary hydraulic control guard, which is a very nice option from Kubota. That's like $700, I think. You got your two standard 1/2-inch couplers, 3/4, K-strain 3/8, 14-pin attachment control device. Now, you will see it does have the LED light package. You're also going to see right here Kubota's very nice overhead door system. Heading inside the machine, you do have your air ride high back seat. It is a very, very comfortable seat. All the louvers are in the dash. We're not talking about a 1,500-hour machine. We are talking about a 198.5-hour machine. So you can see here it's the new style touchscreen dash, guys. We'll go through a couple things here with you. You can adjust your track response to what you want it to be, which is very, very nice. We can go in here and go to a lot of different parameters. We're going to have our vitals. Very nice. You can read all about what the machine is doing. You can go in here. Let's go to warnings. We have no warnings, which is good. That's what we're after. Auxiliary hydraulics, here's where you can select it and you can set a cutter. They put that in there, so you can set it to whatever you want it to do. There's also other kinds of settings in here you can do. You just have AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. I have that shut off. We don't own the rights to the music. There you can see your backup camera, which is very, very nice. You shut that back off. I'll take you one step further. I'm going to unlock everything. You can see we have no further error codes, anything like that coming up. There's a 2-speed. Soft touch keys are over here. Very, very nice. Everything is laid out nice. It's very easy to navigate. You do have this roll knob then for your radio and stuff. Turn your volume up, and then you can actually go here. If you're in a screen here and you want to go home, you can push that or back. It allows you to have those controls, which is nice. Over here, you're going to have all your stuff for your 14-pin. You got your horn. 2-speed button is here. Over on this side, power quick attach. Cab heat, air, HVAC. It used to be underneath this panel. Changed that. Up there you got a USB cigarette lighter plug, nice little cup holder back here. They've really done a very nice job on these machines. Landon, I'll give you this back. Guys, here's one big thing on the Kubota. That door is incredible. Keep in mind, you know, the 97-3, they went to a pressurized style cab. Major upgrades in these from the 2s. This is going to be like your 75-3, just bigger scale. 3,412 pound of lifting or weight lift capacity. So very nice machine. We're going to fire us up. We're going to run around, show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. So machine does have the LED light package on it. So like I said, we used this. I bought some farm field stuff across the road here back July the 1st, June the 1st, I guess it was. And we put a bunch of field drain stuff in. We use this to do a lot of the backfill and stonework. Kind of wanted to run one of these. Had a bunch of the 97-2s, the 90s, 95s, and basically just wanted to see what they were all about. And I really enjoyed running this machine. The difference is day and night, in my opinion, as far as the cab design. There's your auto level bucket. Just turn that on, which is nice. Shut it back off. So, you know, what I see is from a 2 to a 3 is the unbelievable difference in the cab. And I do have a decel. I can push that switch on there and I can decel my foot throttle like a dozer, which is very nice. So if you are used to running a dozer, which a lot of guys jump back and forth, obviously, you're used to that function, you can do that with this machine. And again, they are very smooth. So 97-3, again, this is current production. Again, the gentleman didn't go to a 90, I can't want to say that. SVL110, and I don't know why. He always seems to have stuff like that that's bigger. Something comes out, that's what he does, but here is a machine that's under full factory warranty. There is no bull crap, you know, which everybody assumes that out there, but there is nice stuff, and that's what I like to buy and sell. I like nice, clean, low-hour stuff, but I'll tell you the truth, right now it is hard to find that stuff right now. So when you start doing your looking around right now, you will find there's only, I think, 4 of these for sale right now in the country. The rest of them that are advertised are new machines. I don't anticipate this machine setting around very long whatsoever. Stuff like this just does not come up for sale every day. The machines that are for sale at the moment are out in the Midwest. There's not much for sale back here on the East Coast. I am going to have this machine very competitively priced in the market. And for everybody out there that doesn't think I know what something new costs, you're wrong. So keep that all in mind. But don't call wanting to beat me up and find out you're pricing a 97-3 that's not high flow and it doesn't have any options, no KSR, no auto level, and you know, we get that every day. Guys will call and you know, and they're not comparing apples to apples, and I absolutely loathe that. You know, I will always entertain a great conversation with somebody if we are truthfully comparing apples to apples. But if we're not, I don't see the need in having the conversation, right? That's my opinion. And right there, I will say, you can see your cutting edge very, very well on these machines. I feel that, like I said, Kubota has done an excellent job with these as far as being able to grade and see, you know, the visibility in these machines is great for speed travel. Cab heat air is amazing. Them taking what they do also is pretty cool. When you're shuttling back and forth, it dies that engine down for your 2-speed, which is a good thing. They're doing that to protect the machine. I think it's awesome. So, power quick attach. Keep in mind, guys, these are a true oil pilot control. They are not fly-by-wire. Also, always look up underneath there and make sure there's pins latched. So when I say not fly-by-wire, these are not what is called EH control. EH control a lot of times is going to give you a delayed reaction. If you're used to running a track hoe, you know, bigger track hoe, or even any of the smaller stuff, you know, anything probably about 2024, you know, a lot of your newer big stuff turning into fly-by-wire, but pilot control has a very, very nice, it gives you a real feel of the machine, it really does. So guys, here it is. If you are looking for a 97.3, here's a machine to take a look at. 198.7 hours on this machine. Cab, heat, air, KSR, overhead door, LED light package, power quick attach, 18-inch wide tracks. You got your air ride, high back seat, joystick control. Guys, very, very nice machine. Bring your cousin's uncle's brother who once worked for a Kubota dealer, then he worked for the John Deere dealer. I don't care. Do what you need to do. Do your research. I know what the machine is. It was a local machine. This is not some auction machine. This is not some clapped out piece of junk. It's not some aerosol overhaul repaint either. If you're looking for something very nice, here's something to take a look at. You're going to save probably today's money with this right around 15 grand compared to a new one. So you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Machine is 100% ready to go to work, and it is under full factory warranty, and it has emissions warranty on it also. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.